so good. Oh my bulu, my culeto. I got no hand. Oh my gosh, my butt was just in the air with no hands. Woo! All in Mexico, baby, all in Mexico. What's going on, everyone? It's MotoMiracle. In today's video, a company called TechMount sent me a prototype of their TechMount TechGripper, which I actually have over here. I've been having for years and years. I've always had this one. Best phone mount ever. But they sent me a prototype, and it's basically for less vibration dampening. So we're gonna go check that out, see how that actually works. But as you can tell, man, it looks gorgeous. I'm so excited about this. So today I'm gonna show you how to install the new one, and then we're gonna go for my first impressions, and I'll tell y'all what I think about it. So anyways, let's go to the intro and let's check out this video. Oh man, so good. What's good, y'all? If you're new to my channel, I'm just traumatic brain injury survivor with a second chance at life. I want to share my journey to you through my eyes. All right, I am so excited about this, man. So TechMount, thank you TechMount for sending me this prototype. Great company. I'd always highly recommend TechMount. Such an amazing company. Based in the box, they got, you know, your stickers. Got your TechMount stickers. Then they also sent a few extra, you know, rings and a few extra of these pads, as you can tell right here. And the pads are for right over here, because right here, as you can tell, after years and years of wear and tear, you can see it's starting to wear off a little. I don't know if you can tell that right here or over here, but it's a little bit. So that's kind of cool. They sent me a few extra of the pads, so that's kind of cool. If you want to skip past this part into just go to the first impressions, it's going to be in the description right down here. First thing, I do have a video, 7,000 mile product review, and now it's definitely like 10 or 12,000 miles I've ridden this bike, ridden with this right on here. So I definitely highly recommend to watch that video first. So here's the differences right here. See, it's a little bit, the prototype is a little bigger, as you can tell. But I love how they changed it to black and red. It looks so good. But you see it's a little wider. So from here you can tell it's just a little thicker. From this one's a little thicker than the last one. And the only the bigger difference, it's got like this little plastic right here with a dampening rings, or whatever, dampening rings, I guess I'll say. It's basically rubber. I'm not really sure what this rubber is made out of. Maybe it's a little secret for TechMount. Maybe TechMount can comment down below and let us know. Man, that sun is hot, man. Today's 90-something degrees right now with the heat index and the humidity. It's like 100. Ooh, man, so hopefully this hopefully this video actually works. The GoPros don't like the heat, and same with the iPhone, man. So I'll do the dual camera with y'all, so to show you how good how the vibrations and everything. But yeah, so it's basically for the dampening. So this part right here and this part right here, obviously it's for better dampening, and this right here, like I said, the only one thing that I disliked about the TechMount is the dampening wasn't, like, it was great, but things, you know, Harleys shake and stuff like that. So sport bikes probably had no problem, but the Harleys, they do. I have a quick video. I'll show you what it looks like facing me and then facing you guys from with this mount, and then I'll do it with this mount right here. You know, I'll do both so you guys can see the difference once I'm on the bike. Honestly, if that works and there's gonna be no vibration at all, then this is definitely gonna be the best foam mount around. I'm not sure how much this is gonna be. I think this one is $50. I'm not sure yet because this is a prototype still. All right, let's go install this real quick. So we're gonna take this out real quick, and I like how they sent me extra these rings or whatever they're called, because, you know, after a while you keep tightening it, then you move it, you know, for the phone, and move it this way, so you tighten it, loosen it, tighten it, and eventually it gets loosened, you know. But yeah, so they sent me a few extra of these. Alright, I am going to use the new one, so I'm not going to use that. So next to each other, you can see the difference, the size difference. Hopefully, you can see the dampening difference too, right? See how there's really no dampening over here, but the dampening is going to be a lot better here. Like, look at that. Oh, I'm so excited about to try this out, man. Man, thank you so much, TechMount. Alright, let's put it on. I'm going to unscrew this, and I'm going to start off this way. Basically, you're going to face me on the camera, and then eventually I'll switch. Once we hit Mexico, y'all, once we hit Mexico, we'll hit the speed and see how this dampening goes. You know what I'm saying? Pop that in there. Pop. Oh, it's so nice. Oh my god, I love this art. Woo, man, it looks good. All right, man, that sun is hot. My back is burning. Yeah, we're ghetto rigging this camera. I don't have another GoPro, so I've got my iPhone. All right, let's check this real quick. Perfect. Right there, baby, right there. So I'm gonna get my vest on, and yeah, drink some water real quick, then we'll be back on the bike. So basically next time y'all see me, I will be back in Mexico, if you know what I'm saying. All right, see you in a minute. All right, y'all, we are pulled over real quick. We're about to be in Mexico, but yeah, so right now we're doing face-to-face with y'all. Woo, it's hot today, man. It is hot. All right, here we go. Right here, the phone mount right here, you can tell right here. Here's a TechMount TechGripper, as long as no one's here. So no one hits me, someone's driveway, so private property. I'll show you real quick. Got the dampener right here, looking good. I got the phone mount right here. I got my iPhone with me to go do some two different angles from the camera. And yeah, so that's screwed in right here, and then the dampener, I mean, so far it looks like it's, like I said, it's, you can tell, I don't know if you can tell here, but the Harley's making it shake right now really bad. Like it's, I can feel like it's vibration, but hopefully the dampeners work it out and makes it, you know, nice and clear, and doesn't even look like we're even on a Harley, you know what I'm saying? Wow, that's a move. Fucking good job. All right, let's go figure this out now, huh? Woo! All right, so it's gonna be a quick video though, because it's gonna be a quick first impressions, see how it is, right? And it's gonna kind of be hard to tell until we look at it on camera. So I'm just gonna tell you what it looks like right now. Right now, it looks amazing, baby. Woo! I had to go to this little wooded area because it is hot outside, man. Hot. Woo! I am sweating. A little worried about it because I know for a fact, I said, the full mounts, well, the TechMount TechGripper full mounts, they will last through the heat, the cold, everything you can go through. On the other hand, the iPhone, man, those doesn't do that well during the heat. So we'll see how. We'll hope this doesn't overheat, man. But man, I'm looking at the vibration right now because I obviously have a Sport Glide. I got a Bassani Road Rage 2-in-1 exhaust, and usually I can see the vibration on my phone. I can't even see it. Maybe a little in the corner over here. A little, like a very little, but like I said, I won't know until I actually do my edit my video and figure it out. But man, it looks good, huh? It is such a beautiful day out, even though it's this freaking hot. But yeah, so TechMount TechGripper sent me this out. So once again, so I'm sorry, TechMount, for sending me for, you know, taking so long to do this, to let you know about the prototype, because what I think about it, man, you know what I'm saying, like the whole thing about my, if you guys watch my last video, it explains what I've been doing for the past like 4 months, why I've been so late on this this prototype thing. But I love it though. So far, let's go real quick. 70 miles an hour real quick. Oh my gosh. Woo! 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 Oh, final destination right here. Oh my god. Ah! Ah! Hail. Hey, that hay just smacked me, man. All right, guys, we are in Mexico, baby. Oh, let's go for it. Let's do it. All right, went to 80 real quick, quick. All right, baby, here we go for the straightaway. Now let's see how the dampener works if you go hit 100 miles an hour. Woo! All in Mexico, baby, all in Mexico. Man, the phone mount stays still. Oh my gosh, you guys, like TechMount, like I said, so far this prototype is amazing. Like I see just a little vibration in the corner. We're gonna swap it and put it the other way and see what it looks like, you know, the vertical way, and see what it looks like, you know what I'm saying? But right now it's so nice. Like there's no vibration. I just went 100 miles an hour, hit a few little mini potholes, as you can tell, on this road. And man, TechMount, woo, you're doing the right thing, baby. Woo! I don't know, I won't 100% know until I watch the video and see what it looks like on camera, you know. But for first impressions so far, daddy like. Sorry, I'm a new dad now, so I say daddy like all the time now. I've been saying it once Mrs. Miracle got pregnant. I was like, hey dad, can you go, daddy wants this. Oh man, what's up guys? What's up y'all? I miss you, man. Oh, so good. So good. Oh my bulu, my culeto. Man, it is good though. So man, I just hit that big bump. My booty just got some air, and look at it. But for the dampener, I'm really hoping that this works out. I really do. The only wrong thing about this TechMount TechGripper, only thing, like I said, was the dampener. But now they got the dampener. If the dampener worked, man, this is the best foam mount. I don't know if it's going to be, you know, $50 like the original foam mount, but my gosh, that is hot, that sun. Why am I wearing a vest right now, y'all? Why am I wearing a vest? Woo, it's hot. We're soaking up in this place. Woo, it's hot. Woo. Woo. It is hot, baby. Woo, it's hot. Well, like I said, I'll show y'all a quick video of what it looked like with the old foam mount and the TechMount TechGripper foam mount, and then with this one, so you can see the difference between both of them. You know what I'm saying? Woo. All right, let's go for it. I'm looking at right now. So I think that's a camera. I don't even think that's I do not even think that's foam mount that's causing that problem. You know what? That's not the TechMount's problem. That's straight up because look, if you look at it, it's literally just, it's straight, it's not, it's slightly vibrating. All right, let's flip back the other way. I'm gonna go back for another strip just to make sure. So I've tried to make videos, like I said, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, facing it forward and both ways so you can see it. And when oh my god, I think it's less vibration when you go this way, the horizontal. But the thing is, even the other way going vertical, it wasn't even that bad. It wasn't that bad. So the dampener is a lot better. Because facing this way, man, it's on point, man. Look at this. Look at this. You're like, look at it. Look at me. Look at this. It's not shaking at all. Like, tell me what y'all think about it from your angle. You know, what do you think? When you're facing me, what do you think? What do you see? You guys are facing me right now. I'm going fast, right? What do you see? Any vibrations? Like, I'm hitting so many potholes, right? Mini potholes right now. I'm like, look, I'm doing this right now. No hands on the no hands. No, I got no hand. Oh my gosh, my butt was just in the air with no hands. Woo! The dampener's working great, man. I really like it. I really do like it. The last video, if you guys watch it here, put the video up here. That last video I made, like, that was facing forward, so you guys doing dual camera, like 2 different angle cameras. And it was, in my mind, I don't think it was that bad. So maybe this one will be a little more clear. I'll know on camera once we get on in the office for updating and stuff like that. I'm gonna do probably YouTube Shorts and like TikToks and Instagram, like little reels, stuff like that. TechMount, thank you so much for the opportunity to get this prototype. I'm gonna once again, I'm so sorry about that, being so late for not responding on the prototype. I've so much going on, like I said in the last video, baby, health, everything. But we're good. We're back on the bike, baby. Woo, you know, it's like 100 degrees out right now, 108 here in Maryland, but that's okay. Hopefully my phone doesn't like crap out, or the GoPro, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. This is just a quick first impressions of the TechMount TechGripper, the new prototype, you know, with the new dampener, with the blue dampener. God, ooh, I wonder what that, I wonder what kind of rubber that is. I really do. Because like, honestly, I really think it's a lot better. All right, we're gonna go into this area because I need to get the shaded area because I'm dying with this heat right now. Woo! Bonita, bonita, señorita, señorita. Oh, let's get into the wooded area now. TechMount, if there's anything that I didn't add into the first impressions, please comment down below or direct message me on Instagram. Or on TikTok, whatever you want to do, and just tell me like, hey, you didn't do that, you didn't add this, I'll talk about this part or that part. I'll definitely put a quick reel, TikTok, YouTube, shorts, all that. I'll do a quick thing to update everything, what's going on, you know. So I definitely will, because I'm just trying to, like, right now it's a first impressions, first ride, so I'm kind of going with the flow, and it's so freaking hot right now. And yeah, but I'm just hoping that my GoPro and the iPhone doesn't crap out on me, you know. The other thing I forgot to add was there's actually some like what I'm going to keep watching out for is the screws. There's screws in the back that I showed y'all, and where it connects to the dampener, and I'm worried that if, like, with the vibration of the dampener, will the screws loosen, you know. So I'll definitely check that out, like every 1,000 miles I'll check probably, because, you know, I guarantee TechMount knows what they're doing. I'm pretty sure, wow, my back tire just slid, must have been on some like sand. Right now I love this prototype so far. TechMount, the TechMount TechGripper Prototype. It's a molto bene. It's a 10 out of 10. Alright, y'all. Thank you so much, TechMount, for giving me the opportunity to do this. If there's any kind of stuff to, if there's anything new you want to give me, I will definitely do a video. I'd love to work with y'all. I'd love to do anything to help y'all, help out this TechMount company. And yeah. And hey, I'm not saying it's a sponsorship or anything, but I would love to promote this this TechMount and this new TechMount TechGripper Prototype. But anyways, this is the end of the video though. So if you like this video, then please press that like button. If you want to show some love for this channel, then please press that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. And please press that bell icon for future notifications. Until next time, y'all, ride safe, spread those positive vibes, never give up. It's MotoMiracle, and I'm out of here, baby.